downstream in the gorge, things start to get a little more interesting. We're dropping into a set of rapids called the Keene. So they've just come through Upper Keene, and now they're going to drop into Middle Keene.
Let's go forward one. This is automatic. Speed reading. Oh, then he gets bumped out. Let's go forward one. Forward one. Forward one. Forward one. Whoa! 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 Left. Whoa! Whoa! Shit! We're trying to hold on those sea grips, guys.
Yeah,
oh,
yeah, I saw that thing
you were. Let's go all forward, guys. All forward together.
All right, here we go, guys. Lower Keene, number 3 in the Keene trilogy. Probably about the steepest and narrowest single drop in the New River Gorge. The whole river funnels down this left bank, picks up a whole bunch of speed, and forms some nice big waves.
Big one on the left.
Yeah, avoid those.
Let's go forward one. Forward two. Oh, jeez. It'll undercut all the water.
Oh, yeah.
It's fun watching like first year guides come through when the water's a little higher and you can't really see the rock. Just watching it get flung.
Right up.
Mike, try to lean out to the left a little, or I got him. Yeah, it's okay.
Here we go.
Yeah, buddy! I turned my camera on while I was going down. Do you think I'd lose it?
God, he got close.
I'm going to try that.
All right, he's going to video on the way down. I think he's jump off backwards and video me from midair.
No.
No?
No.
I take a good picture.
Nope.
Okay.
Nope.
All right.
We're going to try just me jumping.
Just you. All right, here we go. Okay.
Okay.
Crazy. How you doing, man?
Doing great. I'm enjoying it.
Good. All right.
Sweet.
So,
Ready?
I'm ready. No, wait a minute. Okay, now I'm ready. Sorry.
You watch Steve, he drops the ledge like I do, like Will do. Let's go forward 2.
That's how you
See, right there's the ledge.
Whoa.
so bad.
Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Talk to the hand. The hand that lets go of the T-grip.
There we go.
Let's go forward 1. Forward 2. Forward 1. Forward 2.
I give you double Z Rapid, our next force to be reckoned with. This one has the honor of being the longest and most technical rapid on the New River Gorge. From top to bottom, it is laden with a veritable plethora of hazards and obstacles.
Gary. Little dip. Watch that.
Lean in.
Lean
In.
Lean in.
Silly.
Go ahead and grab your paddles like you're ready to paddle.
Okay,
Let's go forward 1.
we're tired. We just had lunch.
Forward 1.
Whoa.
God, we didn't eat it all.
Let's go forward 1. Water pours over that thing. Big hydraulic right there.